A control strip is a demonstration by the contractor that the materials, equipment, and construction processes planned for use will result in a product that meets the specification. Each mix on a job must have a control strip.
So prior to being able to move to full production, we have to test the material and our placement operations to ensure that we can meet the project specifications, the requirements of density, VMA, air voids. This gives us a chance to have the plant kind of prove that they can produce the mix and that it meets the standards. And then once it's delivered here, we have to prove that we can, with our rolling patterns and operations, deliver the quality of finished product that they need.
All federally funded projects over $500,000, where paving is the major work item, must have a contractor quality control program, accepted in writing by the resident project representative before placing a control strip. FAA airfield control strip requirements are based on either tonnage or 1/2 sublot, whichever is greater. Airfield control strips require 2 paving lanes with a longitudinal cold joint between them. The cold joint requires demonstration of cutting back a longitudinal joint. It must consist of an exposed construction joint at least 4 hours old or a mat that is cooled to below 175 degrees Fahrenheit. The lanes must be the same width and depth to be used in production.
On top of needing to show that we can meet the specs as well as the plant meet the specs, we have to use the same equipment and rolling patterns and guidelines that we're going to use for the remainder of the project because it has to be reproducible.
The contractor must closely monitor these placement controls: tack coat application, asphalt delivery rate, paver speed and adjustments, grade and thickness control, density control including mix temperature, roller type, rolling pattern, coverage, and speed, and smoothness control. Control strip acceptance is based on the average test results of 3 samples. It will be considered acceptable if the gradation, asphalt content, and VMA are within the QC action limits and mat density is greater than or equal to 94.5%, air voids are 3.5% plus or minus 1%, and joint density is greater than or equal to 92.5%. If the control strip is unacceptable, adjustments to the job mix formula, placing procedures, and rolling procedures must be made and another control strip placed.